Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix keyboard not working here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is we need to open our virtual on-screen keyboard so that we can proceed to our steps. Okay, so here at the start icon, please do a right click, go with settings, and once you have click on it, just have to wait until the options are ready for us. Okay, so once it's here, proceed on the accessibility, and here you need to scroll down and go with keyboard. Okay, so once you have the click on it, you need to turn on this on-screen keyboard. And the moment you've the click on it, in on-screen keyboard will appear here in our windows. Okay, so now it's here. Just have to minimize this first. Okay, and we will use this on-screen keyboard so that we can perform all the steps that we have to fix our problem. So here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with run. So here in the small window, please type for registry. You have to use your on-screen keyboard to type such. Once you have typed that, click on OK to proceed. Okay. So here, your user account control will ask you to say yes. So minimize this on-screen keyboard first, and then click on yes when your user account control will ask you to say yes. Okay. So here, proceed on HK underscore local underscore machine. Click this forward arrow and then go with system. Click this forward arrow and then please go with services. Okay. So just have to go with it. Okay, so before going on services, go with the current control set first. Click this forward arrow, and this time you need to go with services. Okay, sorry for that. So the very first is you need to go with local machine to be clarified. Go with system, go with current control set. Then this time you need to go with services. And here the services, you need to click this forward arrow. And this time you need to look for I ate something. Okay, so I can see it here, which is I8042PRT. Okay, so here you need to go to the center of the screen and you can see there a value called start. Just have to double tap it and change the value data into 3. Okay, just have to change the value data into 3. If it sets into 0, 1, or 2, make sure it is in 3. Click on OK. And then you need to close all of these file folders. Okay, close this registry editor window as well. And we need to proceed to our next step. Our next step will be here at the start icon. We need to do a right click, scroll up, and then go with device manager. Here at the device manager, you need to expand it first and proceed on keyboards. Click this forward arrow, and there you would be able to see your keyboard driver. Here you need to do a right click, go with update driver, and in this window you would be able to see two options which are search for automatically and search for manually. Proceed to the first, okay? And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click this backward arrow and proceed to browse my computer for drivers. Here you need to go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer and just have to select any entry or any list of the keyboard drivers that you have. In my case, I only have the one, but in your case, if you have the 2 or 3 results, just have to try it one by one. Click on next and then install, and then click on the second again and then install, and then just have to check what will work for you. Okay, so if you have only one keyboard driver like mine, then that's completely fine. Just have to click on next. The moment you click on next, it will says here Windows has successfully updated your driver. Just have to close and then it will ask you to restart your computer now. Simply click on no first because we'll be restarting our computer later on once we are done with our next step. Okay? Just have to close this device manager first. Okay? This time, at the bottom search bar, you need to use your on-screen keyboard and type for CMD. Okay, CMD. Okay, select the button search bar first and type CM. Then click on enter. The moment you've click on it, okay, you need to run this as administrator. Just have to close this first, okay, and at the bottom search bar again, type again for CMD. Then you minimize this on-screen keyboard first and go with run as administrator. Okay? So your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open this command prompt window. Here, please use your on-screen keyboard. Okay? And you need to type all of these commands. Okay? So just have to type it here. The very first that you need to type is prompt. Okay? So let's us type first since I have accidentally clicked on enter. Okay. I am using my on-screen keyboard even if my keyboard is completely fine so that you can follow. Okay. So here just have to click on enter. And once you are able to click on it, you just have to type on sfc space forward slash scan file equals c colon backward slash windows backward slash system32 backward slash ie frame dot dll, and then click on enter in your on-screen keyboard the moment you have typed it, and proceed on sfc space forward slash verify file equals c colon backward slash windows backward slash system32 backward slash ie frame dot dll, and then click on enter once you have typed it, and you need to type on assoc. Click on enter, and there you need to type on the last command, which is sfc space forward slash scan now. This is the very first and the most powerful command that you can have in your window. So make sure that you don't miss this last command. Okay, make sure that you have completed all of this four commands. I mean five. Just have to click on enter and it will do system scanning and it will fix surely your problem. Trust me. Okay? So once you're done, this is the time that you need to restart your computer. Okay? You need to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.